Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: 11/0 seed beads, 0, 5 wire, crimps, and a clasp. These choices control scale and rigidity. Thread 6 beads to form the body base and position a center bead to keep symmetry, because hummingbirds are compact and balanced. Once done, anchor with a crimp and trim excess, leaving 8-10 cm for shaping. This reserve lets you adjust wing and beak lengths. Make sure to keep tension even so rows lie flat, not twisted. As you begin, you build wing structure by adding ladder stitch rows outward from the body. Mirror each side to preserve posture, because identical wings prevent wobble. Count beads per row and decrease gradually to create a tapered wingtip, and then repeat that pattern on the opposite side. For the tail, switch to smaller row counts, 6, 4, 2, to form a fan, and make a second pass through the core beads to stiffen the whole assembly. Once done, adjust wing angle so it sits slightly up for lifelike pose. You finish by crafting a tapered beak using 2 to 3 elongated beads, threading tightly and wrapping the wire around the head core to lock it. This thin profile mimics a hummingbird's bill. Place 2 contrast beads for eyes and run a reinforcing pass to keep them centered. This prevents rotation. Once done, crimp the terminal wire and trim to 3-5 mm so ends don't snag. Troubleshooting tip: if wings droop, rethread a reinforcing pass through the wing roots and pull slightly tighter to restore shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.